Homeowners, here's the home maintenance hack your plumber didn't want you to know about. You know that persistent phantom stench you've been blaming on your dog or your spouse? Well, you owe them an apology. It's coming from your floor drain. But fortunately, the fix almost literally couldn't be easier. See, if you rarely use the floor drain in your laundry room, garage, basement, or maybe a guest bathroom shower, the water inside the P-trap underneath evaporates, eliminating the odor-blocking seal and allowing stank sewer gas to emanate into your home. Here's a simple 4-step DIY to eliminate the offensive aroma, restore the seal, and prevent this from happening again anytime soon. You'll need a bucket of water and a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Dump the bucket of water down the drain to replenish the seal, followed by the vegetable oil, which sits on top of the water, creating a barrier so it doesn't dry out as fast. Simple as that, but you might want to hit save on this video so you don't forget. Kinda makes you wonder what else your plumber's not telling you.